Let's talk about score marketing. And the question is this tool really worth it or not? So here's a presentation I want you to pay attention to. So when we think about score marketing, what is it? Let's first define what we're talking about here. So if you use Square as your point of sale system for your small business, should you also use the Square marketing for promotions? It really depends, okay? So Square offers multiple intuitive software options that can help your small business run smoothly, and Square marketing is no exception, really. So Square actually offers a simple add-on that syncs seamlessly to the Square POS platform, making it very easy to reach your customers via promotions or other information. So when you think about Square marketing, I want you to think about an extension to the Square POS platform, okay? And so marketing is really an integral part of any business plan, and having a convenient way to both keep track of your customers and reach them with a simple email or text blast is a simple way to drive revenue when you think about it. And Square allows you to automate marketing campaigns, easily view and analyze customer behavior, and helps you reach new customers with Google reviews. So this is really cool in terms of scalability. The sky is the limit when you really think about it. And so what we love about Square marketing here is that the UX and the UI are really easy. So Square marketing, just once again, it's an add-on to Square POS that allows you to send both one-off and recurrent emails to your contacts. So if you don't have Square POS, you cannot actually access Square marketing. It's really an ancillary part of a Square POS. So Square marketing is deeply correlated to a Square POS. So because Square marketing syncs with Square POS, you can target different types of shoppers with relevant messaging based on what they buy at your store. So the thing is that there has to have been a let's say a prior transaction happening for Square marketing to have your customer data embedded. For instance, if they actually bought through the POS, chances are they have given you their phone numbers or their name, first name, last name, and also other sort of private information depending on like the address, for instance. Like if you have a credit card or a debit card, you probably have the work address or the residential address. So you can use that for your email marketing. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. Let's talk about pricing here. So as you can see on the screen here, for email marketing, for instance, you are looking at the $15 per month, okay? And it's one of those things where we are speaking about like up to 500 customers. So if the more customers you have, the more you're gonna have to pay. So Square marketing pricing depends on the volume we're speaking about. And so we're speaking about a marketing cost that's broken down by the number of contacts. So you'll have all the features available no matter what price point you get. So as you can see on the screen, 0 to 500 customer contacts, you have $15 per month. 501 to 1,000 customer contacts, you have $25 per month. 1,001 to 2,000 customer contacts per month, you have you're paying $35 per month. For 2001 to 4,000 customer contacts, you're paying $45 per month. And for 4,001 and not to 9,000 customer contacts, you are paying $75 per month. So Square pricing continues to increase incrementally based on customer contacts. If this plan seems like a little more than you need, and you are only interested in sending an occasional marketing email to a smaller list, Square also offers a one-off email sending rate of 10 cents per email to your existing contacts. Keep in mind that Square offers 4 types of email campaigns to all Square users at no charge. So this is something to really think about, deeply. Now you also have Square text message marketing pricing. So when we talk about Square marketing, we're speaking about Square email, but also Square text message marketing. So email marketing and text message marketing. Similarly, you can also reach customers with text messaging from Square marketing, which also has a simple price plan. So 1 to 250 text messages that will cost you $20 per month. 251 to 500 text messages, $25 per month. 501 to 1,000 text messages, you are paying $35 per month. 1,001 to 5,000 text messages, we are speaking about $60 per month. 5,001 to 15,000 SMS, you have $90 per month. And for 15,000 to 25,000 text messages, we are speaking about $135 per month. So you can see that it's incremental. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Square marketing. Is it really worth it this year? Let's talk about the features here. So when we think about Square marketing, what kind of features should you be thinking about, especially when it comes to Square email marketing? So you have unlimited email sends, email designer to choose themes and styles. You have a tool that fully integrates with POS and Square dashboard. That's what I was just telling you a little earlier, that Square marketing is an ancillary part of Square POS and Square dashboard. You have automated email campaigns based on an event trigger. You have automatic email collection with payment and digital receipt approval by your customer. You have seamless coupon redemption. You have sales and campaign real-time reporting performance data. And you have marketing assistant bot that helps guide campaigns and makes suggestions. So this is really cool. So when you use Square Mail Marketing for your campaign goals, you will find options under Blessed Campaigns in the left-hand margin. And Blessed go out to your entire list and include offering a coupon, sending a quick update, creating a newsletter, sending an event invitation, product or service announcement. And under automated campaigns, you have the option of setting up a simple workflow to reach customers after they take a specific action, triggered event, or a period of inactivity in the case of a lapsed customer, right? You're trying to wake that customer back up. So you have welcome emails, a thank you email after purchase or sign up, bringing back lapsed customers, birthday or anniversary email. Now, where should you use Square's free email campaigns? Well, Square offers 4 free email templates to all Square users, whether you have a monthly subscription to the company's email marketing service or not. So, you have COVID-19 updates, drive online orders, promote gift cards, collect payments, or donation. Okay. Now, in the future, if we have another sort of COVID-like situation, Square marketing can be used in that instance as well. So this is really important. And so overall, Square Mail Marketing and small email marketing provide a basic feature set with generous template options so that you can target based on your goals, and you can do so in a very seamless way. Let me give you the tactics you need to really think about here. How do you create a Square marketing campaign? Well, setting up an email campaign with Square marketing is very simple. And so when you look at the dashboard, you have a complete UX friendly sort of dashboard. Okay, it's very easy to find a ready-made campaign based on your objective. Each selection you make as far as goals and objectives guides you to further deepen the process with pre-made templates and designs already built for you. So Square even adds suggestive tests into the blocks that you can use or adjust. So this is really cool. So what you want to do is that you want to define your objective. So it's you have to see whether you want a blast campaign or a reminder campaign or whatever goal you have. Then you have to design the campaign. So you have to go to the email editor, and there you will see how simple it is. Square is making it very easy for you, giving you more design freedom. So you can head into the drag and drop editor that's accessed at the blocks tab. You want to choose your audience. You can think about the demographics, the geography, but also the chronology. Okay, and so you can see in the image, once you pick an image, you can see exactly what kind of function you need to apply to it. And then you have to review and send. So that's the last and final step in sending your Square email campaign or your Square text campaign. You send it to your customers. You have to review it. If you don't have a full email marketing subscription or a full text marketing subscription, you can opt to pay per email or pay per text, or you can sign up for the free 30-day trial Square offers. So this is kind of important. And one thing I need to say is that as your email list grows based on sales, and also as your cell phone list grows based on sales, Square automatically begins segmenting into a targeted email list for you. For example, new, regular or lapsed customers. So you have a clear idea whom you're talking to. You have a clear idea how to negotiate with them to bring in to actually drive revenue. Also, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Square marketing. Is the tool really worth it this year? So when we talk about Square marketing, we cannot actually stop by comparing Square marketing to other players. Okay, how does Square marketing compare to other email marketing options, email slash text messaging options? So you have Square marketing versus Mailchimp, and Square marketing versus Drip. It's important to understand that Square email marketing or Square text message marketing doesn't have some of the features you will find in some other types of email service providers, but it does simplify email marketing. It accomplishes this for small businesses by syncing data with your Square POS and even offering you campaign suggestions automatically. So when we talk about MailChimp, for instance, MailChimp's features, their features are designed to extrapolate more data as your customers interact with your emails, landing pages, and the social posts. And MailChimp's generous free plan allows you to reach up to 2,000 contacts and is comparable to Square with providing basic reports and recommendations. So you will also find that a MailChimp and Square payments integration back in your Square dashboard. So this is really cool. So what happens is that if you do this, you can also sell directly from the free landing page and start selling online without a website. What about Square marketing versus Drip? So Drip shines with its personalized campaigns you can create after you have set up your tagging and triggered event features. This allows you to learn exactly where your contacts actually go and what they have put in their cart. So with that information, you can even set up automatic emails for triggered events such as an abandoned cart or product promotion that fits with what they have browsed on your site. So for this reason, if you have an e-commerce shop and a bit of time to get to know the features, Drip provides a well-oiled marketing machine that's largely automated with plenty of data to sink your teeth into. So this is really cool in terms of flexibility. And you know, if you've been following this show for a while, you know that we really pay attention a lot to flexibility, especially when it comes to email marketing and marketing, because it's a long-term game. It's a long-term game. It's not a sprint, that you can really win within a month. It's a long-term game that you will win maybe 5 to 10 years from now. But you gotta start you have to start the beginning. Let me talk to you about SMS. So I've talked to you about the phone, but I want to really talk about SMS because when we talk about SMS, what's really included in SMS messaging from Square? Now, Square text message marketing, it might also be something you want to implement or add to your overall strategy. So with people becoming more and more reliant on their phones, SMS messaging can reach your customers almost instantly. So Square makes it easier to gather customer information and create custom campaigns, all with a simple pricing structure. So we are speaking about you syncing with email marketing, Square customer directory integration, you having the ability to automate campaigns and to solicit also Google reviews. Okay, so when we talk about syncing with email marketing here, you can combine Square text message marketing with an established email campaign to make sure that your customers don't miss out on a sale or other important information. You also have Square customer directory integration, so you can build your contact list from anywhere and allow customers to sign up to receive texts. You can also have customer easily sign up through social media platforms. You can also automate campaigns. So Square makes it very easy to pre-build text messaging campaigns and automate and customize them, letting Square do your marketing for you. You can also Square actually solicit Google reviews, so you can send out reminders or requests for customers to leave Google reviews to increase your company's visibility and reputation, especially if you think that you are doing something right and customers are happy about everything, the way you run everything. And you also have reporting. So through Square marketing, you can see in-depth reporting via your dashboard. Square, is really, really great in terms of in-depth analytics. And I'm talking all kinds of analytics, from click-through rate to open ratio to email marketing capabilities to text messaging marketing capabilities. So when it comes to SMS marketing, you have to really understand that your customers are going to change all the time, but you want to make sure the underlying data is actually accurate. Like the phone number is accurate for tag and meta tag sort of data assurance, work. So, what is our verdict here? Is Square marketing really worth it? Is Square marketing legit? Well, our answer to those two questions is yes and yes. So basically, Square marketing is a legit business, and Square marketing allows you to do a lot of things. Remember that it has to sync with your price, right? So, Square email marketing, for instance, is $15 per month for up to 500 emails, and then increases depending on how many emails you want to send out. Square text message marketing is $20 per month for up to 250 text messages, and then it increases the more text messages you send. So this is kind of cool, and you have the ability to cancel Square marketing. I mean, we recommend Square marketing, that's for sure. But one thing for sure is that you also have the ability to cancel Square marketing. So Square marketing, 30 days for free, and if you want to cancel before you are charged or cancel at any time, it's very easy to do so. So you want to unsubscribe by clicking cancel service. Square discontinues your subscription for the service on the first of the following month. So you'll continue to have access through your current paid up month. Though this is really cool. This is really good in terms of capability. And one thing I want to say in general here is that when we talk about Square marketing, you have to understand. I think I've made this point pretty clear when I started today's conversation. You got to have Square POS. I mean, you can't be like, all some of those offers are pretty interesting, but if you listen to me and you want to have Square marketing under your operations, you first need to sign up with the Square CRM, or even it really depends because it really depends on. But you got to have the Square POS. That's the word I was looking for. You got to have the Square POS and use the Square as your point of sale system before you can glean data, because that data is not going to actually travel from one place to another. I mean, it's one of those things where you have to be comfortable about what Square marketing can do for you, and then go ahead and implement that. And also, please make sure that you have to contact the customer service rep to make sure that you are having the right sort of implementation process before everything sort of changes. And but long story short, the tool is actually pretty good with everybody else. There's not a problem. So we love that a lot in terms of having an easy life. This is really another possibility also in terms of you using Square content marketing to reach customers that may not be actually available all the time. Maybe they bought stuff from you once in a while, but that doesn't mean that they have changed their behavior automatically. That's an important element. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, let's do a quick recap of today's conversation. So, in today's conversation, I spoke to you about Square marketing, and I gave you the presentation, the pricing, the features, the tactics, the SMS, the verdict, and now the recap. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.